Alright YouTube, I've got a 2011 Ford Crown Vic. I got a squeaky noise coming from the front end of the vehicle. Hopefully you can help me figure out what's going on there. Let's get straight to it. Take off driving, see if you can hear the squeaks.